The Union of Tanganyika and Zanzibar was formed in 1964 to create a stronger and more stable nation, now known as the United Republic of Tanzania. The union was influenced by political, economic, security, and ideological factors that aimed to promote unity, stability, and development in both territories. Here are 10 reasons for the Union of Tanganyika and Zanzibar, 1964. 1. Political stability. The union helped stabilize Zanzibar after the 1964 revolution by preventing internal conflict and external interference. 2. Security and defense. Union strengthened national security by combining military and defense forces, protecting both territories from external threats. 3. Prevention of foreign influence. After the Zanzibar Revolution, there was fear of foreign powers influencing Zanzibar. Union with Tanganyika reduced this risk. 4. Pan-Africanism ideology. Leaders like Julius Nyerere and Abeid Karume believed in African unity and cooperation, which inspired the Union. 5. Economic cooperation. The Union allowed sharing of resources, markets, and manpower, promoting economic development in both areas. 6. International recognition. The Union strengthened international legitimacy and recognition of Zanzibar under a larger, more stable state. 7. Historical and cultural ties. Tanganyika and Zanzibar shared historical, cultural, and social connections through trade, language, Kiswahili, and migration. 8. Avoidance of political isolation. Zanzibar, being a small island state, risked isolation. Union helped it avoid political and economic marginalization. 9. Strengthening African unity. The Union acted as a practical example of African unity, encouraging cooperation among newly independent African states. 10. Leadership cooperation and mutual trust. Mutual trust and agreement between President Julius Nyerere and President Abeid Karume played a key role in forming the Union.